exponential series using Python programming. Suppose f of x is equal to e raised to x is the given function, then we obtain the series expansion of e raised to x using a Maclaurin series. F of x is equal to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0, second derivative at 0, and so on. So here given f of x is equal to e raised to x, then f of 0 is equal to e raised to 0 is 1, f dash 0 is again derivative of f dash x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, so f dash 0 is equal to 1, again f double dash x is equal to e raised to x, then f double dash x is f double dash 0 is equal to e raised to 0 is 1, and so on. So all the successive derivative of function e raised to x at x is equal to 0 is 1. So if you put all this value in this equation, then you will get the series expansion of e raised to x is equal to f of 0. So f of 0 is 1 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash 0 is 1 again, and so on. So here if you write this in summation form, then Ex is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity x raised to n divided by n factorial. Okay, suppose you want to obtain the approximate value of x is equal to 2 with number of terms is equal to 3, then you can obtain the approximate value by using the above series expansion. Here e raised to 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 square upon 2 factorial. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2. So it is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is equal to what? 5. This is what an approximate value. And if you increase the number of term, then approximate value is very close to exact value. That is, your number of term is what? Only 3. So and we obtain the answer e raised to 2 is 5. So if you calculate by using calculator, then e raised to 2 is equal to 7.38. If you use the calculator, then value of e raised to 2 is 7.389. So if you can observe here, the error between the exact value and approximate value is very large. You can reduce this error if you increase the number of terms. That is, if you increase the number of terms, n is equal to say 10, then in that case your answer will be approximately equal to 7.3, very close to this 7.389. So now we are going to code this using Python programming. First we want to write a function for factorial, because what is the general formula to find a series? It is exponential series x raised to n divided by n factorial. So now define function, say fact n. Now if your n is equal to 0, say if n is equal to 0, then in that case your factorial is equal to return return 1, else now take one variable, say factorial, take one variable, say factorial 1, fact1 is equal to say 1. Okay, now for I in range 1 to n plus 1, okay, fact1 is equal to f is fact, we are going to store this fact value in factorial 1 star I, okay, and we return, finally we return fact 1. Okay, now we want to enter x is equal to, we want to enter the value of x. So x is equal to, since it may be a floating value, so float input enter enter x, enter x. Now next we want to enter n. N indicates the how many terms of the series. So it is integer number. So input enter n, enter n. In n indicates the number of terms. Okay. Now again, what is the series expansion of e raised to x? It is x raised to n divided by n factorial. So again, by using for loop for I in range, since we want to start our x series from 0, so default it start from for loop start from 0. So for I in range n. Now take one variable, say sum is equal to 0, sum is equal to 0, then sum is equal to sum plus now x raised to n. So here n in x raised to I divided by fact I. We are going to call the function fact I. Finally we are going to print value of e raised to x is equal to, or you can write the sum is equal to, say sum. Okay. So this is what an approximate value of e raised to x. You can write here also the value of e raised to x using series. So if you run this code, so enter x. So if you enter x is equal to say 2 and number of term is 3, then here sum is 5. You can observe here we calculated this sum is what, 5, but what is the exact value of e raised to 2 is 7.3. So to obtain the answer very close to exact value, we want to increase the number of terms. So if you increase the number of terms, say 2, you want to determine e raised to 2 and number of terms say 10, then you can observe here the approximate value is very close to exact value. You can also obtain the value of e raised to x by using standard standard function. For that we want to enter the mathematics library. So import math. Now we can enter the approximate value. For that we use the here approximate exact value, say exponential e is equal to math dot exp of x, and you can obtain the exact value of e raised to x by using this function, and you can print this value. So print exact value or exact value of e raised to x is equal to say exp. We denote this expe for exact value. So if you run this one more times, xp unexpected indent, there is one error. Okay, one error is there, unexpected indent. Now if you run one more times, now enter the value of x, say 2, and enter n, say 10, then you can say here this is what an approximate value by using series expansion of e raised to x, and this is an exact value by using standard function. So you can observe here the exact value, approximate value is very close to exact value. You can also determine the error So what is an error? Error is equal to absolute value of exponential exact value minus sum, and you can print this error. Print error is equal to error. Now you can observe here, if you take the less term, then error will be very large. So you can observe here, suppose if we run this, if you enter n is equal to 2 and number of term is say only 3, then you can observe here error is what, 2.3890. the value of e raised to x using series expansion of e raised to x is 5, and by using the standard library function it is 7.38. so error is very large. Now you can reduce this error, by taking very large n. So here take x is equal to 2, and if you take n is equal to 10, then you can see here the error is very small, okay, and exact value of e raised to x is very close to approximate value, okay. So if you run one more times, say here, suppose we want to determine e raised to x of 4.1 and n is equal to say 10, then you can observe here the exact value is 60.34028 and calculated value is what, by using series expansion is what, 59.7646. error is what, 0.57. you can also reduce this error by taking again very large n. So again if we run this code and x is equal to 4.1, and if you enter say n is equal to 20, then you can observe here, n is equal to 20, then you can observe here the error is very small, e raised to minus 0.7. this is what, 9.1785 into e raised to minus 0.7. so it is very negligible error, it is very close to 0. the sum obtained from exponential series is 60.3402 is very close to 60.34 exact value of e raised to x. Thank you.